bright skin, the color of bark. Clothes smelling like trees, sticking my fur from my boots and weeds. My leads right back in the arm.
Hey, how's it going, everyone? This week we're in Houston at our new training facility, and I just wanted to make a video and talk about what the training facility's purpose is, give people a better idea of what happens here, and ultimately why it's a good idea. And I think everyone should come and do the training here because it's not just coatings and product application, there's more to it. Yeah, I'll give you a tour of the place and we can have a chat about it.
They drugs on their up. Let's sail through the world in the name of trust. Hard work and the crux that it made it us. About to bust on my veins full of gold dust. The 1985. Hard work and the crux that it made it us.
We need coffee in Texas.
Bust on my veins full of gold dust. The 1985.
Come and have a look at JP's office.
In the spine plus the flesh that it holds.
So JP, when he was a kid, built every single one of these models with his dad, and he's kept them all these years. He's got a fender in here. This is for that car that won the Riddler paint competition, something like that.
That's right.
Right, and then if we go through to the training area, there's
This way. JP's other office. Yeah. JP's at work today.
I've been trying to chill on that gang shit, boy, I hope I don't relapse. I've been up straight for like 12 days, damn, I hope I don't collapse. Try to catch me slipping when I'm on a mission, don't lose no focus over that. I need me an ocean load of cash, I'm trying to overload the stash. I'm finna overwork the staff, I'm trying to calculate the math. In the whip, blowing on that gas. Police staring through the glass. I'm from the island though, steady looking for a pot of gold while I'm riding low. Burners all on the table, shit feel like domino. Big homie left a little while ago. We really like vominos and then adios in designer clothes. We really like vominos and then adios in designer clothes. We really like vominos and then adios in designer clothes. What they thought.
So, this is the Houston training facility, but it's not just training. It is, I guess, A to Z or detailing from all our products.
when we say we offer Feynlab training, it's like, oh, okay, so is it just the products? Are we just going to learn how to use the products? And I don't think a lot of people see that much value in that. But it's not just that. That's only like a small part of the training. It's more about how to run your business, how to sell coatings.
And also occupational health and safety, how to polish ergonomically, biomechanically, so that you can push long days, you can push a long career, you're not going to get backaches, you're going to be strong and healthy for a good time to come. Also, speed, efficiencies, all these things that add up to a successful business.
That was pretty eye-opening, where he was explaining like a lot of the students come in here and I asked him like, all right, how long do you take to completely paint correct the car? And most people say it's maybe 6 hours of work. He says that when people leave here, they can confidently do it.
Yeah, blown away. They can do it in a fraction of the amount of
like
time.
An hour and a half or 2 hours.
And without any issues with quality. In fact, the quality would be higher, done in a more efficient manner.
Yeah.
And
no corners,
we all know time is money.
If you're interested in learning a little bit more about the program, reach out to Sarah or Melissa. Melissa's in charge of doing the coordination. She can tell you more about what happens here. It is still the early days of having this facility open. Over time, as more people learn about it, I think this place is going to be buzzing. There's so much potential here.
When you're going to learn how to make your business more profitable and more enjoyable for yourself and your customers, not just how to polish a car, not just how to use our products, but how to go back and take some tips and bits and pieces, however small they might be, we expect or hope that we manage to help. Yeah. If we can help you, that's what Feynlab is all about. That's it.
That's it.
That's all she wrote.